Hello there, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, I am going to crochet every custom order that I have for this week. Today it's on a Wednesday and I'm supposed to complete these orders by Friday afternoon. I am going to crochet different kind of beanies, and the first beanie that I'm going to crochet, it's a baby beanie using these two yarns, this black and white. Yeah. I am done crocheting the main part of the baby beanie, so I'm left with the pom-pom and the brim, which I'm going to use white yarn. So guys, here the beanie is done. So I'm left with putting the top ball or the pom-pom, yeah, on top here. For the pom-pom, I'm going to wrap the white yarn around my fingers, this lower part. Hii kitu nataka tu kunisumbua. So for me, I think that this is enough. So I'm going to cut the yarn. So for this one, I'm going to cut through here. I'm going to cut on top here. I'm very careful. So I am done. I'm going to hold it with a string like this. Yeah. So let me do that. I have decided to cut it again from in the middle so that it can be like this small. It was so big. So I'm going to just use a third of this because there are so many. So I am done making these pom-pom, but I don't have my needle here, so I'm going to do that later at home. So this is how the baby beanie is going to look like. So for the second project that I'm going to do a baby beanie still for a different client. For this one, I'm going to use this orange and white. For the white, I'm going to use the same as this one for the pom-pom and for the brim. Yeah. For this one, for the orange, I'm going to use for the most of the beanie and the rest on these one. I'm going to show you when I'm done making most of the beanie. I am experiencing a problem. My yarn got tangled. able to untangle the yarn. It's all good, so I can continue. For the ones who want to know, I'm just using half double crochets, and on the tip here I'm using slip stitch. Yeah, and I'm going to do few rows so that I can attach it together. So let me see you when I'm halfway done. Hello there, it's the next day. Yesterday I was not able to film at during the afternoon because the light went off. So I did finish the brim of the black beanie, and it's already done. I did the orange one. Here it is. For the third beanie that we are going to do is using this purple color and white, these two. Let me show you the kind of, it's a meshed beanie, like a skull beanie, but it's a little bit bigger. Let me show you. This is the kind of beanie that I'm going on with. So you can see here, but mine won't have like this bigger hole, but this is the kind of thing that I'm going with. So for this green, it's going to be the purple color, and for the blue, light blue, it's going to be the white color. So that's what I'm doing. It's going to be our last project. So I already started. Here it is. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there it is. So I'm just going to do, I have done most of these beanies, so it's not going to be that difficult. For this beanie, it's my mom's friends that ordered it. She has like dreadlocks. Mostly people with big dreadlocks loves to wear this kind of beanies so that their hair can breathe and still like their hair is not troubling them, because some have like thick hair, so it's always a problem. But when they have this kind of beanies, it's something good. For this beanie, I'm using just double crochet, chain one, double crochet, chain one. That's what I'm doing. It's not even difficult. For beginner, you can start with beanies. For me, also, I started with beanies, and for my, like, this is like my job somehow. I haven't made it like my main job, but this is what I do. This is one of my source of income. And when I started crocheting beanies, especially for kids for their school year, because most of the time, like in the morning, it's always so cold. So I made mostly beanies for kids, yeah, and even for adults still. Even for me, I did like, for myself, I did more beanies. I think mostly my business, like it was beanies. Then I started doing shrugs and ponchos, rag warmers, but mostly I started with beanies. And I feel like it's the easiest thing to start with as a beginner. I'm going to change the color of the yarn to this white so that I can put a stripe around. So maybe no one will watch this, which is so disappointing. I won't diminish myself, but guys, if you have reached here, just give me some love on the comment section, because it will be such an achievement. Yeah, even if you feel disappointed, you have to wake up and just do what you gotta do. So guys, if you have reached here, just give me some love. Yeah, let me cut the purple yarn. I'm going to do 2 rows of white, or 2 rounds of white. I am done making the 2 rows, so I'm going to put back the purple yarn. So I'm going to do just 2 rows of the purple, then I will put white again, then continue with the purple until almost the end. Yeah. So I'm done making 2 rows of purple, then I'm going to add another 2 rows of white. Yes. So I did the 2 rows of white. Now I am done adding white color. So now I'm going to add my purple back and do rows until the end. This is the progress. This is the size of the beanie right now, and it's a little bit stretchy. Yes. So it's later in the day. I did the beanie, I finished it. It's going to be stretchy, so I did not make it as big as the other one because this is already stretched. Like, she has worn this so much. So for this one, it's still going to be stretchy, but that is done. So we did these 3 beanies. The thing that is left is for me to weave in the ends, and that will be all done. So thank you guys for staying and watching until the end. Thank you for supporting me, and make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Love you. Bye.